Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the break above 25.65 signals the buy side in control, and off the open, as long as the buyers can hold ES above 63 to 65, they can maintain that overnight breakout. And then on the upside, we have pre-market resistance at 68 to 70 quarter. We've already seen a small response there. It's not really a major area of resistance, and as long as we are continuing to see broad market strength and sustained upside momentum in real time, there would be potential to break above 68 to 70 quarter for a test of 72 half and 75 quarter to 77 quarter, which marks the all-time high, and that is still a spot where we can get some profit taking and responsive sellers can be active. On the downside, below 63 to 65, buyers can still be active at 61 half to 61.75, and then we have the initial support zone at 55 half to 57 half, which is another area where responsive buyers can be active. So off the open today, as long as we're not seeing any major warning signs, the focus will be on the long side, with the understanding that we would need to see broad market strength and some decent upside momentum in order for the market to break out beyond 68 to 70 quarter for a test of 75 quarter to 77 quarter. And if this overnight breakout is really going to hold, then ideally you want to see the market holding above 63 to 65. A failure to hold that zone could result in a move down to the gap fill at 61 half and a test of the previous VPOC at 61.75, and it would even open the door for a test of 55 half to 57 half, where buy side could still defend. And then in the event that we break below 55 half, we could go down and test 49 to 51 half and 46 quarter to 47 quarter, where buyers can still step in for a bounce back up towards the 55 half to 57 half area. Looking at the other markets, the Russell did not break its previous day's high, so that's a bit of a warning sign, but the Nasdaq is showing a lot of strength and actually made a new marginal high in the overnight session. So ideally, we want to see that upward participation from the Russell as well. That would tell us that the broader market is also quite strong, and that would support the idea of the S&P heading higher into 75 quarter to 77 quarter. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's see if the buyers can maintain this overnight breakout and hold ES above 63 to 65. That will help set the bias and tone on the day, and we'll take it from there.